Hi, my name is Nixon, and I've done my driving lesson with the First Right Driving School, and the instructor is Roshan. I start from the scratch, and Roshan is very being patient with me, so I learned a lot. He taught me everything, all the rules and regulations here in Sydney, and I've done like more than 10 lessons just to make sure I'm confident enough. And unfortunately, my first driving test, it's a fail. I know it's my fault. I'm a bit scared, but Roshan motivate me a lot as well. And then we go another try, and this time I got it. So I got the license. It's very important for me, and I'm very thankful with Roshan, with the First Right Driving School. So I highly recommend them. um, you will learn a lot from them. It's just not like learning. You will enjoy it, and he's be like really friendly. So please call Roshan, and then maybe you will get the same P as me as well. Thank you.
Right. Thanks, Nixon. Thank you.
Yeah.